Hey guys, Aaron here for Sky Power Sports of Lakeland. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to operate a Can-Am Ryker. So the key to the Ryker looks like this. It goes on a little ignition node right down there. All you got to do then, flip the switch, press the button, twist the handle, put on the brake, and start her up. To put it in gear, you have this toggle here. This is forward. This is reverse. We want to be in forward, obviously. Here's your brake. This is like an e-brake or an emergency brake on a vehicle. Just set that to off, and it's literally twist and go. And that's literally all there is to it. There's no clutch, there's no gears other than forward and reverse. There's no handlebar brakes, you just have one foot brake down there and an emergency brake. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to operate a Can-Am Ryker.